Hi all, Dan Orey here. Can I just ask for a minute of your day to help me deliver free gardening clubs in the community? It's very simple. All you need to do is vote for something. So every vote is critical to us gaining the funding, and we are now so very close. So if you could just take a few seconds to copy what I'm doing on the screen here. So I've clicked on the link here, and all I'm going to do is scroll down until I find the Gardening In Association, which is this box here. Next to the Gardening In Association, you'll see a little circle that I've just pressed on, or you click on it with your mouse, and that creates the vote. And now we just scroll down to the bottom of the page and press save. If you have time, there is another link on the post here, and that will take you through to more information about what we're proposing here with this gardening club that I'll be running, and it also has a 60-second bid video. Thank you in advance for helping make our communities a greener, friendlier place. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. Just drop me a message, give me a call, however you get hold of me. I still take post, I suppose. So thanks again so much, and thank you for your time.